and we posted a video saying that if anybody needs food, I can cook or I can deliver, reach out to us. And that video like blew up, and a lot of people started messaging saying, can we get food, can we get food? And then I put another video asking if we can get some volunteers to help with the delivering bit. And like all of this, like 10 a.m. we posted the video. By 6 p.m. we had like 30 plus volunteers on a WhatsApp group, people I've never met, mostly like 95% women, all delivering stuff. And yesterday we delivered easily over like 50-60 boxes. Today I think we've done about 15 so far, 15-ish. I think I'm personally scared to step out of my house. I don't want to be out. I don't want to, because especially like there was like a hit list being passed around with like addresses and all of that. So and a lot of those hit list roads are very close to me. People are scared to step out of their home, and food is like a basic need. And especially like a nutritious home cooked food is so important, especially during this time. So that's why I thought, okay, let me like cook and help feed people.